Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 9th class, Assalamu alaikum. Here I am, your English teacher, Ghulam Farooq. In previous lesson, we studied the making of passive voice sentences from active voice. Today again, we will continue the same with more examples and practice. You are required to pay full attention to so that you may discuss freely in our Google Meet class for clear and better understanding. Let's start the practice. General practice of active and passive voice. These all sentences will go tense wise. Sentence number 1, active voice. My team wins the match. The passive voice of the sentence is the match is won by my team. Number 2, you help the poor. The poor are helped by you. Number 3, he is pushing her aside. She is being pushed aside by him. Number 4, the dog is chasing the rabbit. The rabbit is being chased by the dog. Number 5, she has not told a lie. A lie has not been told by her. Have you bought a new house? Has a new house been bought by you? Number 7, the peon rang the bell. The bell was rung by the peon. The boy did not solve the sum. The sum was not solved by the boy. Number 9, they were looking at the sky. The sky was being looked at by them. Number 10, he was not drawing my picture. My picture was not being drawn by her. Number 11, we had plucked the flowers. The flowers had been plucked by us. The lion had drunk water. Water had been drunk by the lion. Number 13, she will not ride the horse. The horse will not be ridden by her. Number 14, will you row the boat? Will the boat be rowed by you? 15, they will have signed the treaty. The treaty will have been signed by them. Number 16, will the inmates have made the noise? Will the noise have been made by the inmates? Dear students, here you must know the meanings of row. Row means kashti chalana, chappu se kashti chalana, and the second word is treaty. You must know the meaning of treaty means muahida, and the third word is inmates. Inmates means घर वाले या अंदर रहने वाले अफराद. Now this is active and passive voice practice from the book exercise. Number 1 is she likes apples. Apples are liked by her. Number 2, the boy is climbing the wall. The wall is being climbed by the boy. Number 3, we did not hear a sound. A sound was not heard by us. Number 4, they have bought a horse. A horse has been bought by them. The board has given me a gold medal. I have been given a gold medal by the board. Number 6, he praised the boy for his courage. The boy was praised by him for his courage. Number 7, the teacher was helping the students. The students were being helped by the teacher. Number 8, why were they beating the boy? Why was the boy being beaten by them? Number 9, they have not done their job. Their job has not been done by them. Number 10, a car ran over an old man. An old man was run over by a car. Number 11, he will give a box of chocolates. You will be given a box of chocolates by him. He had told me to do it. I had been told to do it by him. They had not done their home task. Their home task had not been done by them. We shall have finished our work by March next. Our work will have been finished by us by March next. He took away my books. My books were taken away by him. The sudden noise frightened the child. The child was frightened by the sudden noise. We use milk for making cheese. Milk is used for making cheese by us. Why is he mending the chair? Why is the chair being mended by him? The doctor asked her to stay in bed. She was asked to stay in bed by the doctor. They caught the thief. The thief was caught by them. Dear students, you are given practice of 36 sentences in total today. In tomorrow's Google Meet class, you must discuss all these sentences. If there is any ambiguity, any difficulty, you will discuss how these sentences are made, how active voice sentences are converted into passive voice. I didn't explain some of the things intentionally, so that you must discuss with me tomorrow in our Google Meet class, because while discussing all these sentences of active voice and passive voice in discussion class tomorrow on Google Meet, you must discuss with me the use of being, been and be, replacement of subject and object in the passive voice sentences. You can practice some other sentences as well. Other than these practices, I have. बच्चों, आप जितनी ज़्यादा इन सेंटेंसेस की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, आपकी ग्रिप उतनी ही एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस के लिए बनेगी और बढ़ेगी. You must discuss tomorrow some more sentences apart from these given sentences of active voice, passive voice. और आप जो है क्लास में जो कल गूगल मीट क्लास आपकी होनी है, उसमें आपने जो मेरी क्लास के बच्चे हैं मुझसे पूछेंगे, जो आपकी क्लास के टीचर्स हैं आप उनसे पूछेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे। जो इनकी रिप्लेसमेंट है सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की, और जो इसके अंदर बी का इस्तेमाल हुआ है, बीन का इस्तेमाल होता है और बीइंग का इस्तेमाल होता है, वर्ब के थर्ड फॉर्म का इस्तेमाल होता है पैसिव वॉइस में, तो ये आपने सारा कल डिस्कस करना है अपने टीचर्स के साथ, और जो मेरे क्लास के बच्चे हैं वो मुझसे डिस्कस करेंगे, ताकि आप लोगों की जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस की वो बेहतर हो सके। तो इसलिए आप लोग कल इसको पढ़ के आएँ, समझ के आएँ और सेंटेंसेस को बना के आएँ क्लास के अंदर। थैंक यू बेटा, एंड नाउ अल्लाह हाफिज़, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, गॉड ब्लेस यू।